Yo, so we on our way to Mo Better Brews. It's one of my favorite places to eat in Houston. It's an all-vegan restaurant. I'm in love with the chicken and waffles. So I thought I'd go back, show y'all what the food looking like, show y'all the vibes. Let's go. I made it. I'm here at Mo Better Brews in Houston, an all-vegan, black-owned breakfast spot that, in my opinion, if you're here in the city, you must try. And nah, you ain't gotta be vegan to experience this goodness, y'all. The vibe is a vibe. First thing you notice is how lit the music is. From Anita to Erykah Badu, the playlist was slamming, y'all. And one thing I can appreciate, the volume was set at a good level. So if you're here with friends, you can actually have a conversation without shouting. Now, the menu. The menu is robust. It offers a variety of dishes from the hot honey shrooms and waffles, which is my favorite, to collie wings, to the infamous donut sandwich. Everything I've had so far has been amazing, so you really can't go wrong. Shout out to the cook and the owners for that. This time I stuck to my favorite, the hot honey shrooms and waffles. Mm.
Oh God, we thank you. Oh, amen. Okay, very good. All right.
So if you're here in the H-Town and you're looking for a spot with a nice vibe, great food, people, music, friendly staff, definitely stop by Mo Better Brews. I had to find a way to get back to the chicken. I gotta get to the chicken.